How to enable haptic feedback in Battle Prime. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn this on. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So now, we're in the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and you can even customize that. So slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section called haptic feedback. So what is haptic feedback? Basically, when you're playing, there's a certain vibration that you'll get while shooting or even aiming. So it's a great feature that gamers use. Now, in order to enable that, simply tap on enable and it's done. Now you can go back and this feature has been added. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.